Hi, thanks for joining me today. This is quite simple instruction how to start meditating. It's very simple instruction, but please make sure you watch until the end. Okay. Obviously you've wondered about how to meditate before. That's what brought you to this video. But perhaps you felt overwhelmed by all the talk of techniques and traditions. If that's the case, this video is for you. So today I'll guide you through a very simple, no fuss way to start meditating. And whether you're brand new or just need a little reset, no special equipment, no chanting, no sitting cross-legged unless you're comfortable and you want to. So let's get started. The first step. First, find a very comfortable place to sit or lie down. It doesn't have to be silent or perfect. Just somewhere you won't be disturbed for a few moments. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or lie back on a sofa or a bed. Just have your hands gently rest on your lap or by your sides. I do think it's better to close your eyes, but only if you're comfortable, or at least soften your gaze. Now the next step. Bring your attention to your breathing. You don't need to change it, just notice it. Be aware of the air moving in and out. Be aware of your chest rising and falling, or the air moving through your nose. And if your mind starts to wander, that's really okay. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath, one breath at a time. And to help you keep focus, you can silently say a word with each breath. Try something like in as you breathe in, and out as you breathe out. Or count your breaths from 1 to 10 and start again when you get to 10. If your mind wanders, and in the beginning it will, just come back to the next breath. That is the practice. That is meditation. So try to stay with your breath for just a few moments. Even a minute is a really good start. Perhaps set a timer on your phone or your watch. Or just stop when you feel ready. You're not trying to stop thinking. You're just noticing and coming back to the breath. And when you're ready to finish, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers or your toes, or both. Open your eyes if they were closed, and take a moment to notice how you feel. Calmer, clearer, or maybe just a little more grounded. And if you've done that successfully, that's it. You just meditated. It really is that simple. But the key is really practice. Like anything you need to be good at, you have to practice. Professional sports people, they practice daily, for hours sometimes. All I suggest you do is practice for 3 to 5 minutes a day. That meditation will be more calm and peaceful, bringing your mind more clarity and focus. There's other videos I'll recommend after this one, so please make sure you play them and meditate with me. If you found this helpful, please feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, it is free. And try one of my guided meditations on the channel. If you think somebody else may benefit, please feel free to share it with them. See you in the next one. Thanks for joining, and take care.